Ever sat on the toilet and wondered, where do socks really go after they vanish in the washing machine? Imagine this. There's a tiny sock portal in every machine that leads to an elite gala, a place where socks mingle, exchange stories, and compete for the title of most illustrious sock. Meanwhile, at home, we keep chasing shadowy thoughts, hoping to catch a glimpse of the mischievous sock. So, if you ever notice your socks disappearing, just remember, they might actually be waltzing in a far-off socky wonderland. Leave a comment about your own quirky toilet theories. Do your socks attend a secret soiree too?